YouTube, welcome to another video, and I do apologize, the last video was very long ago, so please forgive me. I haven't been really paying attention to making videos lately because of other personal matters. Anyhow, I've just received this in the mail. So this is a phone grip, alright, and as you all know, our phones are getting really huge. This is the Oneplus 7 Pro. I love this phone to bits. However, this is a very huge phone and it's hefty as well. Okay, so using it is always scary and you're afraid to drop it. I usually use it without the casing. Okay, but because I'm preparing to put this on, and to test it before I decided to remove my debrand skin because it gives me grip, I want to test it onto this casing first, and then if it works well enough and I'm convinced that I can remove my skin here. So let's get on to it. So this is an interesting phone grip. It's very slick. So when I saw this on Kickstarter at the time, I was really impressed with what it's supposed to be. Okay, so definitely I went straight away and I backed the project. The delivery was a bit late, about 2 months late, but in their defense, okay, and also in my own personal experience, 2 months delay to deliver the product from the Kickstarter campaign ending is considered very fast to me, because I've got projects which I back and it's still 4 years and still haven't been delivered yet. So not too bad, I'll say it's the fastest product to be delivered so far in my own personal experience. Okay, so this is the packaging, the retail packaging, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, magnets on it, so it actually snap close. They actually made it in a way that it can allow you to test the product before you buy it, which is good. I mean, it allows the customer to actually test it out first. Unlike Kickstarter, we don't get to test it, we just pray and it works. So let's see if it works. Okay, so that's how it works. Interesting. And you just loop it together, and yeah, there you have it. Okay, that's how it is. That's quite comfortable. All fingers work well for me. Okay, so I'm fetching it, I'm putting it back down. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. Okay, not too bad. Easy enough. Enough fiddling with it. Let's get on with the unboxing. Let's get this in a way, because I saw the online tutorial. I don't want to screw it up, so I'll just do this instead to be safe. Okay, oops, it's not there. It's not open yet. It's quite tough. There's a metal plate inside there, so I'm actually very careful about cutting. Do not want to damage what I have inside there. Okay, there's open. Okie dokie, there it goes. Awesome. So this is apparently the sticky plates for the magnetic to hold on to. Okay, so then you just peel it off, stick it to wherever you want to, and then bam, we have it. Okay, it's quite a good hole. Quite a good hole. Not too bad. You can see it's really thin. Okay, I'm hoping that it'll be thinner, but I guess I'll make do with what I have here. So this is gonna go on. I understand that this is actually going to be what I call that, a bit big. I mean, just nice for the Oneplus 7 Pro, and it might block the flash a bit. Oh, just nice, awesome. I actually don't need to block the flash. That's great, fantastic, great. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. I mean, it's sticking now because I have a metal plate here. So for me, it's just to test it out and see the placement. Okay, so it won't be blocking the flash, which is a good thing. If I want to use it, that's how it is. Okay, not too bad. So this is how it looks like. I won't do a review right now because I want to be able to, you know, what I call that, test it out for at least a week before I give my pointers on it, how I feel about this product. Okay, so I'll have another video to update on this product and give my feedback on what do I think about it. So yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace.